Comic book artist Raymond Leonard, the creator of Agent Solo, has launched his second comic featuring a black heroine, Violet Bird. And the Violet Bird Indiegogo is live right now, and you can pick up the first issue of Violet Bird in a standard cover and several variant covers, including one done by legendary comic book artist Ron Frenz right now. I really love Raymond Leonard's work, and I loved his fantastic books on Agent Solo, and I definitely want to see this book featuring a black heroine hit the marketplace and get funded. So I'm asking everybody to put in a pledge for Violet Bird so we can see more diverse heroes and the diverse universe. You can go out here and put in your pledge for Violet Bird today by clicking the link in the description box, which will take you to Indiegogo, where you can pick up your own copy of the first issue of Violet Bird.